Welcome to our Home Tips series. For today, we'll address a common household issue: dust. Here are 9 dusting mistakes that lead to more dust. Dust is a constant in our homes, made up of dirt, skin cells, and more. Despite frequent cleaning, dust can keep accumulating due to common mistakes. Always clean from top to bottom. This ensures that dust from higher surfaces falls down for easy vacuuming. Move left to right for thorough coverage. Use a damp microfiber cloth to capture dust effectively. Apply dusting spray to the cloth to avoid excess. Small tools like dust mops and paintbrushes are great for tight spaces. Avoid crumpled cloths. Fold cloths neatly and use horizontal strokes to prevent dust from re-entering the air. Don't forget high and low areas. Clean places like ceiling fans and doorways, which often accumulate dust. Small areas matter too. Use a damp paintbrush for intricate spots, and dryer sheets for screens. Dust gathers under large furniture. Move these items when possible for thorough cleaning. Set a regular cleaning schedule. Consistent vacuuming and wiping help minimize dust buildup. Window frames and blinds attract dust. Dust blinds methodically and check for leaks that might let dust in. Change air filters regularly and wash bedding to reduce dust. Replace filters every 3 to 6 months, especially if you have pets. With these strategies in place, you can breathe easier, knowing your home is as dust-free as possible. Happy cleaning!